Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to delete domain on Shopify. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, let's just say your Shopify is connected to different domains here like Hostinger and other domains website. Or let's just say you have tons of domains right here and you think that these domains are unnecessary anymore and you want this to delete. You just want to select one domain and delete the other or other domains here. So basically, you just have to open your Shopify, go to settings. Under settings, you have to scroll down and then look for domains. Tap this one. So under domains, you will see all your domains right here, obviously. And what you're going to do is you need to set a one domain as your default in order for you to delete other domains. For example, this one. If you want to set this as your default, so you need to set this as your primary domain. So you have three options here. Click this primary domain. And then after that, you can now tap change and then go back to your Shopify domains. And then once you have your primary or default domain, then you can delete all other domains right here. Just click that specific domain, and then after that, we have to click delete domain and proceed with remove. So basically, that's it. That's how easy it is to delete domain on Shopify. You must have one primary domain or one default domain, and then you can delete other domains here. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.